Et si quelqu'un doit tomber à l'eau, c'est papa.
No. Tatawid tayo guys. Oh. Dito tayo mag-video-video. Kaya tagal ng iba kasi nag-video-video pa oh. Ang ganda ng fountain. Dito kasi yung pinaka-challenge. My love, he can go first before. You can go first. Move, move. Oh dear. Ay my god. I thought ito. Tatawid, ang daming pila guys oh. Yeah. Same one.
He's waiting for you to do something.
The water is like, oh look. Oh. Ah. Tatawid tayo dito guys. Oh. Eat, water. Ayan, dyan tayo, dyan gal. That's okay. So it's too, then, so.
It was going to get wet.
Doesn't matter, they will dry. They will dry. Picture. Oop. Oh, in water. So maraming tubig. Ito dry.
On the dry one.
On the dry one. Where?
Next one.
This one.
No, next one's dry.
That is so close.
It is.
You can go there
I'm
then.
going this way.
Yeah. Ay, my love, oh, it's nice in there, like red.
Yeah, where those people are is where, when you get to there, I'll take you picture.
Okay. Oh yeah, then you can go there side. Nakakatawa naman to. Nakatakot guys, oh. Umuuga minsan. Basta, tatawid tayo dito. Yan, oh, lamig na naman. Hello. Kukuha niya ako ng picture. Ay, ang lamig. Malamig ngayon dito eh. Fountain. Naghintay siya sa akin kasi pipicturean niya ako. Picture. Move na the middle. Ito yung fountain. Daming tatawid. Daming nagpa-pictures guys. Oh. Mga tao doon, di ba katawid-tawid kasi nagpa-pictures. Ganda ng tulips, red na red. Ano guys, oh, red na red. Ikutin natin to buong hapon. Ang aga namin dito, 8:30.